If you're anything like my sister, Shanda, a newly natural, it can be a bit frustrating, right? To come up with cute hairstyles, but don't be sad. No sad face. Here are 4 easy back to school hairdos just for you. This first style is super easy. You simply gather the hair at the top of the head in the front to create a small hump and bobby pin the hair into place. Then fluff the back to create volume, and that's it. Cute. This is definitely an innocent little schoolgirl kind of look. Okay, style number 2. This is more fun and flirty, I would say. So all you do is start by gathering hair from the sides of your head and meet the hair at the top. Bobby pin each side into place. If loose hair falls like this, pin it up at the top. If your hair is longer and it falls in your face, like hers kind of is, pull the hair straight back, place a bobby pin on top of the hair, then let your hair fall back over it. It'll make your bangs appear to be shorter. This is actually one of my favorite hairstyles. It's really cute. Style number 3. Now I'm sure all of you guys have seen the mohawk or frohawk, but I had to throw it in there. You guys requested it, so I'm gonna do it. It's super cute. Everybody loves this. So all you do is start by using a little gel and a brush to smooth the sides. You can use Eco Styler gel, or if you want a natural gel, you can use Giovanni's. There are several different ones to try. But all you do is brush the hair towards the top center of your head, then bobby pin the hair from the front to the back. You need a good amount of bobby pins to make sure the hair is really secure. If the center is too wide or too loose, just add more bobby pins until your hawk is the size you want it to be. I love this look. You really have to play around with it, but the tighter it is, really the cuter it is. This last style is an updo that's easy to transition from the frohawk. Remove the bobby pins from the back of your hair, twist the back upwards into one giant twist. And make sure you securely bobby pin it into place. Tuck in hair that may have fallen to the sides, and that's it. Good luck trying these styles out. It's really easy. I wanted them to be easy to transition from one style to another, so I hope this definitely helps some of you guys out who are going to be starting school very soon.